Google has finally officially confirmed both the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro design. Also, Google has announced both the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro coming with a custom chipset named as Tensor Chip. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. So guys, we already know through leaks and rumors about the design of the upcoming Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, and also that Google is going to be working on their custom chipset which was named as Whitechapel. Well, basically today Google has officially confirmed both the design and the chipset that is going to be coming inside. Basically the design of the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro will be going to be the same as we have seen in the leaked render images, and basically it pretty much confirms those leaks and rumors. So basically on the front side, both the Pixel 6 devices are upgraded to a punch hole display with a centered selfie camera and fairly slim bezels. They aren't quite uniform on the standard Pixel 6 model, but overall the looks is impressive nevertheless. Google has also revamped the rear design, adopting a triple tone look that involves a black camera module stretched across the full width of the back and two sections of the glass painted in a different tone. The Google Pixel 6 Pro will be paired with an aluminum frame, while we are going to see a matte aluminum frame on the Pixel 6. Google says both the smartphones feels great in hand, and we have no reason to doubt that. Basically, the design of the back is going to be pretty much similar to the render images, and we are going to see dual camera setup on the Pixel 6 and triple camera setup on the Pixel 6 Pro. The basic Pixel 6 Pro will be coming with same main and ultra wide camera as the Pro branded model, but loses the telephoto camera. Kinda same like how Apple iPhone 12 doesn't include the iPhone 12 Pro's telephoto cameras, but retain the main and ultra wide one. Google says that it will be leveraging the Tensor Chip capability to further improve the camera experience, while it didn't go into detail. Both the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro are likely to be having some of the best camera phones of 2021, and they are going to be a camera sensor which definitely going to compete in the likes of Samsung and Apple. Basically, some hands-on has been done by different YouTubers, and they are pointing out that not only the Pixel family is coming with a great image processing, but they have also improved the video quality of their phone, which was basically lacking in their previous model. The next main highlight that Google has officially confirmed is the processor. Basically, we are going to see this custom chip processor that has been developed specifically for Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. So this is definitely going to be a great move from Google, because if you look at different companies like Apple, Samsung, and even the Huawei has coming up with their own custom chipset, and they have much control over their performance. But you do keep in note that Apple has much great performance, and they are providing more updates and more controls and even better optimization of the software using their custom chipset. So we can expect that Google is going to be doing same. Google also confirmed that this new advanced chipset will be based on advanced AI and machine learning feature, which will unlock different experience for Pixel user. Google says that the Tensor enable more personalized software experience that learns from user and improves over time. In addition to that, the custom chipset also has a security at its core thanks to the new Titan M2 security chips, which makes Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro Google most secure smartphone ever. So guys, all in all, both the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro will be coming with a custom GPU. This will be a great improvement in terms of software optimization and also overall experience for the device. So definitely I'm looking forward towards that. Anyhow, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.